Hi everyone, welcome to our channel
Ma and Me.
Hi, I'm Linda.
And hi, I'm Sonia. Hi guys, so now it's evening time. We just had our coffee and some snacks, and I'm ready. I just put some basic makeup just now, and we had a pretty lazy day today. We just had some housework to complete, then we cooked a bit, we rested a lot, and Hannah Shah just got ready, and now mummy's getting ready. So today we are going to show you all around about 5 products which we really love. So now mummy is here, she's all ready, and now she's going to tell you all about some of the products which we have been using and which we love.
Every girl or woman loves to look presentable, and it is a lot of work involved. But remember one thing, looking good does not mean putting loads of makeup on your face. It doesn't work that way. Looking good means just enhancing what you have. And you need to also take great care of your skin to keep it looking good and ready to apply makeup. So, as the saying goes, there are no ugly women, only lazy ones. So let us start with showing the products, some of the products. This is the Forest Essential Facial Utkan. It's from Nykaa and it's for 1175. This helps the skin from pigmentation. It gives glowing skin, it helps acne, and it gives a radiance to the skin. And how does it help her? She'll tell you.
So this product is really good. So when I use this product, since I have oily skin, I just take a little bit in a bowl and I mix yogurt and I apply it all over my skin, and it works and it does the same job as a scrub. It just exfoliates the skin and it makes the skin bright, soft, and I haven't got any acne or no allergies with this, so it's really good that way. So when mummy uses this product, she uses it with milk or cream, so it moisturizes the skin as well. And at times she uses some tomato juice. So tomato juice helps for pigmentation. And if you have normal skin, you can use rose water. So it depends on your skin type. You can add whatever you like and mix this. It's a really good product. I've got good results. Mummy also has got good results with this.
Yes,
So it's one of their nice products. Generally, Forest Essentials makes really good products. This is one of their good products. And the next product we are going to show you all, that is also of Forest Essentials.
And this is Forest Essential Micellar Cleansing Spring Water. It's for makeup removal and it's available at Nykaa for 1500. That's where we bought it from, but it's available on many other platforms also. This is made from Himalayan spring water, distilled rose water and Ayurvedic herbs. So when you use it, you take a piece of cotton wool. Before you use this, dampen the cotton wool with plain water. So you use less of the product. If you just use this, you'll be using a lot of product which is going to waste. So first dampen the cotton wool with plain water, then you apply the micellar water, clean your face. After that is done, you just have to take cold water and rinse your face. Splash it on your face after that. That's it. And like all Forest Essential products, this doesn't need too much of a reference. This is TNW Distilled Rose Water. It is a facial toner, it's a mist and it's a makeup remover. It's different from the normal rose water because this has no artificial fragrance and it has no preservatives in it. We got it from Nykaa and it comes at a cost of 450, but at the moment it's for 411, it's on a discount. So do try it. This is the Dot and Key Acne Defense Clay Mask.
This is for $6.95 and it's available on many websites including Nykaa. So we bought it from Nykaa because under one roof you get so many products, so that is why we generally do our shopping from Nykaa, and it's for 695 rupees. It comes in many variants, but I chose this one because of my acne. So from the time I've used this, my acne has almost disappeared. The scars which I had on my skin, that is also gone, and this also helps wrinkles.
And this is one of my most special products. From the day I got it, I just can't keep my hands off it. It is called a jade roller. I will be giving you all a demo later on how it is used, a detailed demo on how it is used. But for now, I'll just be very brief and tell you that there is one elongated side and there is one smaller side. This elongated side is generally used for your neck, your cheeks, your forehead, and the smaller side is used across your upper lip, your lips, and your eye area. I'll make a detailed video and put it on the net for you all to see. This can be used up to 3 times a day. At least I use it 3 times a day. And I feel it really works wonders. But always use it with a little serum or some cream. Just put a few drops of serum or apply some cream before you use it. And as you know, jade has many good properties. You can use it directly as it is, or you can keep it in the refrigerator and use it. It's very cooling. So this is one must buy for everyone. It's good for blood circulation too, and it reduces puffiness. It's basically like a mini facelift. So do try it.
So these were some of the products which we love and we swear by, and those were the tips by Mummy. She'll be coming back again in a day or two to give us more tips, to give y'all more tips, and also she'll be making, as she said, a detailed way of how to use the jade roller. Right, Mummy?
Yes.
I hope those tips were useful, and do try these products. They are really good. We swear by them, and I'm sure you will also get results like how we have got results.
Yes. Bye.
Bye. Oh, bye for now. We'll be back. We'll be back. So we've just opened all the stuff which has come from Spencer's. Mummy, what's come?
We have some idli dosa batter.
When are we making dosas?
We are making dosas tomorrow for lunch.
Oh, lovely.
And we have jal jeera. This is for making our puchkas and our chaat and our dahi badas. These are the regular household things. Sugar, and this of course is vinegar, which I don't use for cooking. I use apple cider vinegar. This vinegar I keep for removing tough stains from the taps and the sink. You mix it with a little baking soda, vinegar, and it removes all the stains. Mix it, take a brush and just clean the areas which are dirty. All watermarks are removed with this. And there is one more reason also why I use it. It removes all the smell of chicken and non-veg food from the kitchen. What you can also do is keep a cup with some lime juice and few pieces of lime, and that absorbs all the smells also in the kitchen.
So today Mummy gave a household tip as well. Mummy, do you plan on making a separate video for household tips?
Yes, I will be doing that very shortly.
Oh, lovely. So stay tuned for that video as well. Household tips. Anything else which is interesting over here?
Oh, these are just the regular.
Oh, ginger garlic and haldi and red peppers. Alright.
Do subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up if you like our video.
Share it with your friends and family and hit the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a video. Till the next video. Bye.